Yield loss often begins quietly. The line may still be running, and every process value may appear acceptable, while the plant produces less good output. A process can remain within specification while gradually trending in the wrong direction, making early yield drift difficult to recognize. Even a small yield movement can create additional scrap, rework, inspection, lost capacity, and missed production targets. A process engineer might begin with a practical question: where has yield changed during the current week? An AI agent can organize the change by line, product, process step, batch, shift, and time window, while showing the estimated production impact. The next question is whether the movement represents normal variation or an unusual result for those operating conditions. The agent can compare the event with similar runs using the same product family, recipe, equipment, supplier conditions, and operating window. Once the drift appears unusual, the investigation must determine what changed before the yield movement began. Relevant evidence may include process settings, maintenance work, tool condition, material lots, speed changes, environmental readings, alarms, and operator observations. The team should also determine whether the yield loss is connected with a change in defects, inspection results, or affected production lots. Yield and quality are connected, but they are not identical. Yield measures usable output, while quality focuses on conformance, risk, and release. Downtime and micro-stops may provide another part of the story, especially when production instability and yield deterioration occur during the same window. Aligning these events on one timeline helps the team determine whether yield loss is part of a broader production stability issue. The agent can then prepare a prioritized list of variables and records for process engineering to examine first. Each recommendation should show its supporting sources, conflicting signals, missing information, and the practical check required for human validation. If the evidence suggests a more complex problem, the team may decide that the yield event requires a formal root cause investigation. The agent can prepare the handoff with an evidence timeline, likely contributors, open questions, and links to the original source records. The agent recommends what to examine. A qualified person remains responsible for approving any change according to the site's control procedures. Consider a line producing 20,000 units per week. A yield decline from 96% to 94.5% means 300 additional units are lost. If the team recognizes that drift 2 days earlier, it has an opportunity to inspect, contain, or escalate the issue before the losses compound. AI agents can help teams detect yield drift, connect the evidence, and prepare the next human-reviewed investigation. Read the complete knowledge topic through the link in the description.